Hello students. So question number 15. If alpha and beta are the zero of the quadratic polynomial, so here polynomial terms given 3x square minus 8x plus 1, then the value of alpha square beta plus alpha beta square is dash. So here option given. Okay. So first write the polynomial of x. 3x square minus 8x plus 1, then write in the standard form. So ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. So answer already you can see the standard form answer. So write the value of a. So coefficient बऱ्यात x square x. So a च 3, b ची value minus 8 and c term 1. Okay. So like this you have to write first. Then write this alpha square beta plus alpha beta square. So now see here, alpha is here, alpha also is here, beta asa angai beta asa. So take common from that. So alpha square means how many alpha is there? 2 alpha is there. Then beta, then alpha, and beta also is for 2 times. So एक common gets. या इथूनलो common gets. Alpha also take beta. आता कॉमन ना ते कितें उरला हांगासर अल्फा उरलो यो प्लस हांगासर कितें उरलो बीटा. सो नाव अल्फा बीटा आणि हियर रिमेन्स अल्फा प्लस बीटा. ओके. सो हांगासर आता ही व्हॅल्यू आता तुम्ही फाइंड आउट इजिली करूंक शकतले. सो हे जे इक्वेशन आसा ते आता सॉल्व करा बाय यूजिंग सम ऑफ द झिरो. सो सम ऑफ द झिरो फॉर्म्युला इज मायनस बी अपॉन ए. So minus, this is the formula minus and here's a value minus 8 divided by 3. So minus minus plus 8 upon 3. The next product of the zero formula c upon a. C value 1 and a value 3. Okay, so sum of the zero means alpha plus beta and product alpha into beta. So alpha beta like this. So answer alpha plus beta ची value 8 upon 3 and alpha beta 1 upon 3. So alpha beta put 1 upon 3 and this is multiply alpha plus beta 8 upon 3. So 8 ones are 8 and 3 threes are 9. Okay, so you can see here D is the correct option. Okay, so like this you have to solve. Thank you.